How to move a conversation in Slack. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to move any kind of conversation on your Slack. Let's just get started. So if you want to send any message from one chat to another or move it from one channel to another, here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to find the message that you want to move or the conversation. For example, I've got this message right here. Now what I'm going to do is hover my mouse over the message, and there are quite a few options you can do. You can add quick reactions, then you can also reply this to the thread. So it's going to create a thread of replies down below. And to move your conversation, you can just forward your message. Click on this forward option, and it's going to show you all of the available channels. Now, all you have to do is, let's say if I want to move it over to social channel, you can just tap on it. If you want to add additional message, type it in here, and I'll just tap and forward. So as you can see here, the message has been forwarded over there. Now, if other people have access to your original channel, they will be able to view messages from there, and they can join your conversation from this. So they can also reply to this thread, and you're good to go. So that's how you basically move your channel or your conversation in Slack. If this was helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. I'll see you guys in the next one.